We start installing the E3 pump nozzle. First, install the pump nozzle body into the fixture. From the mouth downwards, insert the electrical connector into the mounting hole. On the pump nozzle body and push it into place. Install circlip. Install circlip washer. Install plunger into pump nozzle body. Place the steel ball into its original position on the pump nozzle body. Attach a compression spring and spring guide sleeve into the pump nozzle body. Place the pump nozzle into the spring compression tool, then slowly compress the spring fully. Use a pick or a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the plunger out until it can't be pulled anymore. Place the C-ring on top of the spring guide sleeve. Set on the periphery of the plunger. 然后松开住 then release the plunger side. After ensuring that all components are installed in place, release spring compression tool. Place the thrust washer into the spring guide sleeve. Put the thrust connector in. Place the retaining ring over the fixed outer diameter of the thrust connector, thus mounting the thrust connector to the pump nozzle. Install the E3 pump nozzle on the fixture with the high-pressure sealing side facing upwards. Install the white lower insulation sleeve onto the pin. Install the new red sealing ring on the pin. Use a tool to press it into the hole. Install the white upper insulation sleeve onto the pin. Install the pressure control valve onto the pump nozzle body. Install the solenoid body. Ensure proper alignment of pins and electrical pins. Place the solenoid valve spring into the mounting hole. Place the solenoid valve adjustment gasket into the mounting hole. Install the oil nozzle control valve. Ensure correct alignment of pins, and the valve core of the oil nozzle control valve is located in the center of the solenoid valve adjustment gasket. Install the nozzle opening pressure adjustment gasket spring nozzle guide assembly on the pressure sealing surface of the nozzle control valve in sequence. Make sure the locating pins are positioned correctly. Install the oil nozzle transition block. Install the tanker assembly on the adapter block. Carefully place the fuel nozzle tightening nut on the fuel injector assembly. Tighten by hand. Then tighten the tightening nut of the oil nipple to 90 mm. Remember that this force distance needs to be strictly guaranteed. Otherwise, the performance of the E3 pump nozzle will be seriously affected.